All right, so today is Wednesday the 9th. This is how you're going to walk through or how you're going to do your playlist today. So you're already on Microsoft Teams. Now we're going to show you how to go through the plans because you're going to go through the plans on your own. I'm going to stay on Microsoft Teams while you go through these plans. If you have questions, you just pop back over and ask me. If you want to make sure you're at the right place on the right day and you're not sure what the date is, on the bottom right hand side of your screen, all the way down here past where you can see here, is a date on your screen. So you can take a look at that and make sure today is the 9th. Yep, today's the 9th. I'm in the right spot. So you'll click on the start and you're going to walk through this playlist just like this. So the first thing it says is HE6 before you begin. This is only here for students who accidentally jumped into the playlist and didn't meet us on Teams first. So hopefully that didn't happen to you. All right, so we toggle back through here like I talked to you about this a little bit yesterday. It's like turning the page. I'm going to click on next resource until there are no more resources. Okay, anyway, so you click on next resource and you are going to watch this video. So while you watch the video, this is what you should be thinking about and doing right here. And then if you complete the task when you finish watching this video, you just click yes. You don't have to do anything else here. You're just saying, yes, I completed it. And then you're going to go to your next resource. This next resource is Choices Magazine article. The nice thing about these magazines article and really everything on It's Learning is you can have this all read to you, which might make things a little bit easier. And read along because that'll help you with your reading skills. But if you click on text to speech, this will actually read it for you. The idea of this is how to set up your learning environment. Your classroom's very different this year. You're sitting at home. What are some things that you can do to make the most of it, to make you less stressed, to make you a little bit happier? We're going to talk, it talks a little bit about the foods that you could eat and getting up and moving and exercise and that sort of thing. So I want you to read through this article. You can listen or read either way. And then you are going to go to the next resource. The next resource is a quiz. So complete the quiz to the best of your ability. It's 5 questions. I'm really not looking for, I'm not going to grade you as far as correct answers for this particular one, even though it'll look like it. I just want to make sure that you see how this thing works and do it to the best of your ability. I do want to see some thought going into the open-ended question, which is number 5. So you would click on the start. I already started this once, so I would click on continue. And then I would answer this question, click next. At the end, it's going to tell you to submit. Very important that you click on submit so I can see it. The last thing you have to do, see, I still have one more resource to go. And after this, look, I'm done because there's nowhere else I could go for another resource. This is the end of lesson checklist for day 2. So if you can say, and it'll be on no actually when you see it, I've just played around with this a little bit. If you could say yes to each of these tasks, then you have done everything you needed to do for the day. You click on yes, and then I can see, yep, that person made it to the end and finished it, and then you're completely done. When you're finished, you're done with class for the day. Just come back and tell me that you got finished on It's Learning, or not on It's Learning, on Teams. And if you have any questions, again, I'm sitting there ready and willing to help. Bye.